Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new video episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that parenting is a series where I always try to discuss different issues, different aspects related with parenting for this modern age. And you also know that I have segregated my parenting series on different parts of, and each parts including 10 videos where I am discussing different stages of life of a child and related parenting care issues. And now I am on the part 6. You know that I am now on the graduation level of the babies. When a child start to go to the university or graduation level institutions, on that time what should be the parents technique and attitude to them. I am discussing on this part about this issue, and today is another episode about this issue. Today I will discuss about networking of your child. We know that networking is very important, especially this time, because we are social being. We have to live in a social network, and that's why we need to communicate, to interact, and to be engaged with others of the society. It's like a human body. We all are different organs of the human body, and any organ like the fingers, my ear, my eye, my nose will not be able to do anything by itself, because when you want to eat, you have to take the food on hand, put it on mouth, and a teeth will cut it, and then other organs will have it. In such way we can do anything with the help of a lot of organs, and they are interrelated and interdependent. In such way we, the human being of the society, are also interlinked, interrelated to each other. We can't do anything by our own. We may do something, but we will not be successful in long run or greater extent without the help and cooperation of others. There are a lot of stakeholders of every aspect in our life, especially when we are speaking about the career. Then it is very much important, because most of the careers nowadays are related with different parties. Like, you want to be engineer, you have to change your job many times, especially in our country's perspective. It is very much helpful to change a job, to switch job for betterment of you, to gather new experience, to raise your position, your salary increment, other benefits. You have to change job, but you will not be able to find good job without a good network of your circle. And in the same manner, if you are a businessman, you are a doctor, you have to interact with different types of people. So you should have a good network and effective network. Then it will help you to for your social life, personal life, and career life. But how can a parent help their boys or girls to create a networking? That is the important issue, and I will discuss it today. We know that networking actually starts from early age, but it on the first stage of life, it is in subconscious mind. People create network, but when they are college or graduation level, especially on that time, they create a network consciously, and that network becomes very much related with their future expected profession. Like, you want to be a writer, then you must communicate with the other writers of the society, and you will be in the circle of the writers. And you want to be a doctor, then you must have some friend of doctors, and if you can maintain a good communication with them, it will be fruitful for you in future. That's why I am discussing this issue on graduation level. The parents at first have to understand the importance of networking. Many parents, I have found that they don't understand about it. They think that why my baby is engaging with a lot of people, what is the benefit? Actually, it has not any direct benefit, but it has a lot of indirect benefits. So you have to understand it and realize it at first. When you will realize, you have to motivate them to be engaged in different networks. Like, when first motivation is, you will not create any barrier or dismotivation to your baby to create any network. Like, when they want to go in a tour or in a group of people, you will never dismotivate him if you don't find anything negative. Like, they are going to gossip with bad boys, you must dismotivate them. But when you are confirmed that he is going to a circle where there is not no such bad activities, then you should encourage them, because it creates the communication skill and his circle. And sometimes you can invite them most of the guardians are not used to about it. But if you invite them, like your boy is going to be an engineer, if you invite his engineer friends sometimes every year a day, like it may be any occasion as a new year or Eid occasion or many other occasion, Christmas occasion, then they will be very much engaged with your boy and girl. It will be beneficial for them, and always try to motivate them to be focused on career that I have discussed earlier. And if you do such things, I think it will be very beneficial for your boy and girl, and as well as for you also. So thank you very much. Today I am finishing my video. I think you have find some idea about the importance of networking, and a little bit experience I have shared how you will help or you will motivate your child to be engaged with others. So thank you very much. Try to apply these techniques in your life and be benefited. Bye.